Welcome everybody, you're watching Off My Rocker. I'm Mike Turner, and today I'm going to teach you how to use a little 3-ounce lead sinker to catch giant spoonbill. And we don't even need the boat. That's gonna come off. There you go.
You may be the spoonbill whisperer, but I'm the spoonbill wrangler.
Nice, man. He may be a little short.
He's gonna be short. 33 inches. Yep. Damn it. Well, better luck next time. We'll live to fight another day.
He doesn't know he's hooked yet. Oh, should have got that.
I did.
Okay, there we go. There we go. That wasn't his. That wasn't mine?
No. No.
Was it?
Yours was over here.
No.
That was over there.
I think I got him in the tail where he's at. The next day, Brad and I decided to try another spot we had.
Sorry, buddy. You're probably not gonna make it.
Oh. Well, Brad, the little ones are here. Well, let him go. He might make it. Smallest spoonbill of the day. All right, back you go, little Bill. Well, we didn't have any luck there, so we decided to pack up and go back to where we were the day before, and instantly I got into a big one.
Come on, baby. Come on, this is good fish. Here we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, real good fish. I mean, I'm literally leaning back on this. That's a good fish. It will not let me pull it up. That's awesome. This is so fun. This is why we do it right here. There we go. I'm gaining a little now. Oh, nope, nope, nope. There we go. Come on, baby. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good fish. Good fish. That's a big fish. Maybe it's my 103-pounder. Really good fish. It helps if I grunt, you know? Look at that, bending the pole over. I mean, you got to go and do salt water to get stuff like this. Here we are, middle of nowhere, Missouri. This is so cool. Big fish, Bradley.
Get him. Or her.
I think it's a her. It's big. Got a lot of fight left in it.
She's about to break water. Oh.
Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Big, big fish.
Huh?
Keeping her.
Yeah, I'm keeping her. All right, hold on. I'm gonna put the pole down and I'll grab hold of that. Do I have you or it?
No, you're good.
Come on. That's all right. You got it?
You got it.
Got it. That's big. That's a big old fish. I think that's bigger than my 76 pounder. What do you think?
Whew. That's good, Mike.
Yeah. Awesome. Nice fish. That's awesome. That's a nice fish. You got him on the bottom hook?
Yep.
Real good fish. Yeah.
There you go.
Awesome. Way to go, Brad.
Yes. Woo. Hang on a minute, Jamie. There you go. Yee yee. Killing them, boys.
Not real big, is it? I must have hooked you in the tail where you took off.
That's not a bad one. Bigger than you think, I think.
That's a fun one, you hooked him in the tail.
Right?
Yeah, no shit. Go upriver.
Walk over this way, Jamie.
Yeah, he's... Don't be going no drinking.
You'll notice that we try to gaff the fish in the mouth, just in case we have to release it.
I tell you what, use gaff a fish. If you're gonna use a gaff.
Right here.
Just try not to pull the end out of it.
Yeah. Well, bend it. It's just light aluminum.
And you're gonna
Male.
Bradley, better get your pulling one. Who's next? I think he's right in the middle too.
Yeah, nice fish. All right, so there's a spoonbill swimming around on the surface over here, just swimming in circles. I don't get it. Don't let him pull you in.
Not even the tail again. I get more fight when you give him the tail.
Yes, nice fish.
Trying to be an acrobat. Huh? Trying to be an acrobat.
Whoa, 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 don't go in.
There's that.
It's team effort. Grab that pole and get up here where it,
Here, I'll hold this here. Lay your rod down.
here, I'm gonna take the rod from you. Here. Got it. Another nice fish. Now we got to get that fish out right there.
Keep hold of the blue part if you can.
Yep, I got it.
Ready?
Yep.
Dig, dig.
Need all-terrain mud shoes.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, really nice fish. Good going.
Yeah. Hey.
Ooh, that one may be small. Yeah, that one's gonna be short.
Ain't gonna be a little short.
Yep. It's all right. Another one on the bank though.
One I had earlier.
That's right. That's why they call it snagging. So that straightened out one of my hooks a little bit. So I'm going to show you a quick tip. You see how that hook is straightened out? Hope you can see that. So you just take the eye of the weight I got a big mess. Put it on there like that, and then bend the hook back like that. Oh, actually pretty small. Pulling good though.
Got a good fight.
Actually, it's a keeper. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this content, hit that like and subscribe button for me. And if you want to catch giant spoonbill, you need to get the lead out.